Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. And this video is about how to distinguish one curve from another. There are 362 curves on this. There's going to be 362 cutouts. You most definitely want to cut out the outside last. In case your piece falls just a little bit, then all these other cuts would be a little bit off as far as focus. So you could do two things. You could right click and make that curve black, and then you can move it up or down. Or let's change it back to red. You can right click on that and you can actually rename it, and we're going to call it outside. And just hit enter, and now you know that that's that curve, and you just need to move it to the very top. And you can get to the top, and it'll keep cursing up till you get to the top, because in this particular case, you most definitely want it cutting last, and then just put it right there. So now your outside cut will be the very last cut. Corel starts, or at least the print driver inside of Corel is going to start at this bottom curve, so it's going to cut that one. See, and it's going to move around a lot, but for 362 it would take you a lot longer to get them in order than to just go ahead and let it cut. So you can rename your curves. So you know that that's the outside. I'm going to hit delete and it disappears. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.